Good morning, my fabulous friends. Today is April 20th. 20. Oh my goodness. We can count by fives to get to 20. Let's try it. We have 5. Count them on your hands. 5. 10. There's 10. Comes after that. 15. That's 3 hands. 1, 2, 3. 20. Oh my goodness. 20. 20. Yes, we did it. 5, 10, 15, 20. 25, 30. And that is the average span of a month. So, April 20th, that's the day today, and 30 is the average span of a month. We're getting close to the end of April. What comes next? Are you ready to sing it? Yes! January, February, March, and April, May. May is next. June, July. Oh, I got off my rhythm again. Let's start at the beginning. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. And remember, that was 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 months in the year. So right now, we're on the 4th month of April. And next month will be the 5th month of May. What season are we in? Did you say spring? You're right, we are in spring. Last season was winter. Now is spring. Next is summer. So, you know how we're reading the book, A Wonderful Year by Nick Bruhl? Well, this book talked about just that same thing. Do you remember? I'm sure you do, because I think it was just yesterday. The winter scene. And then do you remember she gets all bundled up? Oh my goodness, it is such a hard thing to get all of the clothes on that she needs. And she finally goes outside and it is spring. That's what happened. That's pretty silly, isn't it? And then what happened in summer? In summer, she melted, didn't she? That was even sillier. What do you imagine? There she is in summer with Louise. And Louise turned her into a frozen girl, huh? I'm curious, what do you think will happen in fall? Let's find out. Once there was a tree who asked the question, "What are you reading?" Do you see the little girl is reading? "A book of stories about a girl and all of the wonderful things she does throughout the year," the girl replied. Is that a book like this one? This is all throughout the year and a wonderful little girl. "Are there any trees in it?" wondered the tree. "I like books about trees." "Well, yes," said the girl, "there is one tree in it." "Oh, good," said the tree. "Is the tree the hero?" "I like books where the tree is the hero." "I wouldn't call him the hero," said the girl, "but the tree is very brave." Wow. "Oh, I do like books where the tree is brave," said the tree. "What happens?" "Well, one day, all of the leaves begin to change color," said the girl. Does that happen in fall? Do the leaves change color? It's true. That does happen. Have trees talked to you? Well, that is fabulous if trees have talked to you. I have not had trees talk to me. Ooh, look at these colors. "Oh no," exclaimed the tree, "they're not green anymore." "No," said the girl. "At first they turn a little red, and then a little orange, and then a little yellow, and then a little brown." Have we seen trees turn those colors? Yes, we have. Last autumn, we did. Oh, wow. And then look what's happening there. All the leaves fall from the tree, don't they? And then all at once the leaves begin to fall from the tree, showering slowly down onto the ground until there is only one leaf left. Wow. Oh, and there it is. There's the one leaf. That sounds awful, said the tree. At first, that's what the tree thinks, said the girl, but soon the tree realizes that losing its leaves is like placing a blanket on the ground, so its roots can be warm and safe, and the tree knows that after a while it will grow new leaves, leaves that will be just as big and green and lush as the leaves it used to have. Oh, that's a special way of thinking about the trees losing their leaves in fall. Well, what happens to that last leaf? Asked the tree. I don't know yet, said the girl. I haven't read that far yet. Oh, I see, said the tree. May I give you something before you go? Well, what is it? Asked the girl. Oh, a bookmark, said the tree. Thank you, said the girl. Have you ever used a leaf as a bookmark? That's a clever thing to do. It's starting to get cold. You'd better put on a sweater, said the tree with a yawn, just before falling into a deep sleep. Thanks, said the girl, and off she went. I rather liked that book. A Wonderful Year. How cool. Speaking of cool, tell me, what's the weather been like at your house? Has it been warm or has it been cold? Have you been wearing short sleeves or have you been wearing sweaters and jackets? Well, I have my thermometer right here and it says, do you know what this number is right there? 70. And that F is for Fahrenheit. So it says it's 70 degrees today. Do you feel like that's warm? The red is going steadily up. I think it's going to be a rather nice day today. And what do you imagine we'll see in the sky? Do you think we will see snow at 70 degrees? No, water only freezes at 32 degrees, so no snow today. What about, do you imagine thunder and lightning today? Do you think we'll see that? Let me look out the window. No, I don't think so. Well, what about, do you think we might get a little bit of rain? Oh, that would be tremendous. Do you know they say that April showers bring May flowers? They do. And this month is April and next month is May. So hopefully we get some nice rain. And that means next month we'll have beautiful flowers. So this is what I'm seeing for our forecast. What is this? It's a bright, 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 sunshiny day. And maybe we'll have a couple of big white puffy clouds in the sky. That would be kind of wonderful. So, we talked about it being April 20th. What day is it? Yesterday was Monday. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Ooh, can you guess? What's in between Monday and Wednesday? Let's see. You ready? Okay. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday, Tuesday, and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 And how many days are in a week? Oh, we know this. We know this. Let's count and make sure. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow! 7 days in the week. And look at that. If you look at my fingers, that means 5 plus 2 is 7. How cool is that? So, another thing that I wanted to discuss with you, let's see if I can pick this up without having them drop all over the place. Ah! Do you remember these? These are our rhyming blocks. They're really fun. Do you have some similar at home that you got in your distance learning bags? I sure hope so. And do you remember vowels? These are the consonants in red on the outside. And this one in the middle are the vowels. Do you remember what the vowels are? A, E, I, O, U. Yes, good job. So, do you remember the sound that A makes? A says A. They all say their own name. A and A. A for apple, alligator. And what about E? E says its own name, E, and it also says eh, like egg and elephant. What about this letter? That's I. I says its own name, I, and I says I. Remember itchy, iguana? What about that one? That's O. Good job. And it says its own name. It says O like ocean, and it also says ah, like octopus. What about U? U says U like unicorn and unicycle, and it says like umbrella. You always need one of those if it's going to rain. Okay, I am going to randomly pick one, and we can do a rhyming sequence. Which one did I get? You. I did. I got you. So let's see. Hut. What rhymes with hut? Let me hold this just right here. Hut. Ooh. H-g. Ooh, the G says g. So we've got the T says ta. So hut. Hug. What's next? What's next? What is that? Oh, that's a B. The B says b. So hub. And what about this one? Oh, there's an N. N says n. So hun. Okay, let's do it fast. We'll go flipping around. Hut. Hug. Hub. And hun. Well done. You are so good at this. Well, since we have done a little bit of counting, like with our days of the week, how about we count down from 10? Can you guys think of any poem that we know that does a countdown from 10? You do? Can we blast off into outer space as well? Oh, I would like that. Let's do it. Climb aboard the spaceship. We're going to the moon. Hurry and get ready. We're going to blast off soon. Put on your helmet and buckle up real tight. 'Cause here comes the countdown. So count with all your might. Are you ready? Gotta start at 10. Count with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rockets, blast off. Oh my goodness. Where did it go? Well, let's sing our planet song. We haven't sang that in a while. Are you ready? I think we should sing it twice. All right, here we go. We're naming the planets, we're zooming by stars. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. We have 4 more planets to add to our tune. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, sing it twice. We're naming the planets, we're counting the stars. We're zooming by stars, excuse me. Let's start over again. We're naming the planets, we're zooming by stars. To Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. We have 4 more planets to add to our tune. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Oh man, you are tremendous at that. So, I have one more book I wanted to share with you. It looks super fun, and it says, The Nature Girls. So I guess these are all young ladies, and they love nature. Do you love nature? Are you a kid who loves nature? How fantastic. Oh, and the author, and apparently the illustrator, all it says is Aki. All right, let's find out more about this nature girl. All right, oh, there's all of these girls' names. Kirsten, Tilly, Zoe, Lucy, Kathleen, June, Jane, Annie, Miffy, and a whole bunch of other names. We are nature girls. We must explore. We pack our bags and we are out the door. Let me move you just a little bit. There they go, lining up, going outside. And off we go. There's much to see. We'll start our journey by the sea. And what are they doing? Some of them are snorkeling. A pod of dolphins swims nearby. The fish come too. We all say hi. Wow! Would you love to do this? Would you love to go scuba diving? Because they are all wearing air tanks and masks and respirators. Looks so fun. It's time to go. We march along. We smile at birds and share their song. Look at all of these beautiful jungle plants. They're wearing their safari outfits. On we trek across the land. Up ahead, we see some sand. Are they in the desert? Certainly seems like it. I don't see any green plants, and I see lots of sand, and I see some mountains. Do you know what these are? They are triangles. Do you know what they are? They're pyramids. They must be in Egypt. And can you believe all those girls fit on one camel? Wow! A camel pads up to our side. He takes us on a bumpy ride. In tall grass we creep up slow, all around our buffalo. Wow, look at all of these creatures. What is on top of their bus? Is that a cheetah? Wow. See ya, planes. It's been nice. Now we're off to find some ice. Where do you have to go to find ice? The North or the South Pole? Wow. A tawny owl. She sees us too. She hoots a question. Who are you? Oh, look at that. They're even taking a dog sled. Oh, that looks so fun. The tundra has some snow everywhere. Look how cute. And Arctic hare. Oh my goodness, it's hard to see them. They're camouflaged. And there's another one right there. But they are the perfect color for being in a snowy land. Oh, where are we going now? There's one more stop on our big trip. We've got a compass and our ship. Ooh, what is that? There's a whale. Wow. The forest, lush and filled with sound. Look at all this life we've found. Wow, I see. Is that a red panda right there? And then there's a blue jay, butterflies, squirrels, rabbits. Wow. It's hard to leave, but we must go. And there's more to see and do and know. Oh, and there is some of the places that they went. So those are the Nature Girls. And I know we didn't get a chance to do some more of our Wild Symphony, but we will do more soon. All right, I will see you mañana, iguana. Mwah.